So today we're going to be making this Harmony Paracord Bracelet by Cetus 550. Right, so here we go. I have about 8.5 feet of blue cord and 4 feet each of orange and white. I've done a 4-strand core, which is quite easy to do. If you don't know how to do it, I'll leave a video in the corner up there somewhere. And if you like the jig, then check out the Amazon link in the description below. So what we're going to do is get the right hand cord. It's going to go in between these two cords here, under everything, and out the other side like that. We get the left hand blue cord and do exactly the opposite. It goes down these two cords here, underneath everything, and out the other side like that. And you get the orange cord. It goes down through the first and second cord here like that. So it goes under everything, and then it comes up through the first and second cord on the right hand side like that. Pull it out like that. And the white cord follows the orange cord. Does exactly the same. So it goes down through the first and second cord there like that. It goes under everything. It's a bit hard to see. It goes under everything and up through the same hole as the orange cord. Come through that hole like that. Okay. And then we tighten it all up. So the first one is always the worst, but just keep going and it will look a lot better. So right hand cord of the blue, down the first and second cord on this side, underneath everything. Left hand blue, do exactly the opposite, like that. Orange cord, down through the first and second on the left hand side, under everything, and then up through the first and second cord on the right hand side like that. And then the white cord just follows the orange cord, does exactly the same, down, underneath, and up through the same hole that the orange came. It comes up like that. Hope that's okay, because it is a bit fiddly to do on camera. And then just keep going down the bracelet. Right, as you can see, I'm near the bottom, and it is getting really fiddly, so I'm using fids to make the job a little bit easier, but yes. Right, so at the very bottom, what I've done is the white cord is going to come out this side here like that, and this orange cord I'm going to poke it back down through here right at the bottom, so it kind of doubles up on itself, but hopefully that will look good at the end. Let's get that twist out. And there we go. So there you go, that is a Harmony Paracord Bracelet. As you can see, it looks pretty epic. Now, I haven't snipped and singed yet, because I think I might be able to do some stitching on here to make it look even better. But look how thick it is. Here's a Solomon's Dragon, and compare that with the thickness of this Harmony bracelet, you can see the difference. So I would definitely add at least another inch on your jig. But yeah, this is a really good looking bracelet. Underneath looks pretty good as well. So if you like this video and you want to see me try some stitching, don't forget to subscribe and smash that thumbs up button. Well, you don't have to smash the thumbs up button. You can just give it a gentle prod if you like. But anyway, do whatever you want, and I shall see you in the next video.